Every nut is healthy, but not every nut gives your body the same benefits. Some protect your heart, others feed your brain. One can even provide an entire day's worth of an essential mineral. But which nut deserves the title of nature's #1 superfood? Scientists have studied nuts for decades. Research shows that eating just a small handful each day may lower the risk of heart disease, improve brain health, reduce inflammation, and even support a longer life. Today, we're ranking them from great to the ultimate champion. Cashews are rich in magnesium, copper, and healthy fats. Magnesium supports healthy muscles, strong bones, and steady energy production. Copper helps your body produce collagen and maintain healthy skin. They're an excellent everyday snack for energy and overall wellness. Although peanuts are technically legumes, nutritionally they behave much like nuts. They're packed with plant protein, niacin, and healthy fats. Their high protein content helps keep you full and supports muscle repair after exercise. Pecans are one of the richest nuts in antioxidants. These natural compounds help protect your cells from oxidative damage caused by everyday stress. They also support healthy cholesterol levels and cardiovascular health. Macadamia nuts contain some of the highest levels of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These are the same beneficial fats found in extra virgin olive oil. They help reduce bad cholesterol while supporting healthy blood vessels. Pistachios are packed with fiber, protein, potassium, and vitamin B6. Their combination of nutrients supports digestion, blood sugar balance, and heart health. They're also one of the lowest calorie nuts, making them a smart snack choice. Almonds are one of nature's best sources of vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant helps protect your cells from damage while supporting healthy skin. Almonds also provide calcium, magnesium, protein, and fiber for strong bones and lasting energy. Brazil nuts are extraordinary. Just 1 or 2 nuts can provide all the selenium your body needs in a day. Selenium plays a critical role in thyroid function, immune health, and protecting your cells from oxidative stress. Because Brazil nuts are so rich in selenium, eating more isn't better. 1 or 2 each day is enough. And now, the #1 superfood nut, walnuts. Walnuts are unique because they're one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Research links regular walnut consumption with better brain function, improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and healthier aging. They're also packed with polyphenols, melatonin, magnesium, copper, and powerful antioxidants. Few natural foods provide such a complete combination of nutrients. The truth is, every nut has its own nutritional superpower. Almonds shine with vitamin E. Brazil nuts dominate in selenium. Pistachios excel in fiber. But when it comes to overall nutrition, walnuts stand at the top thanks to their unique combination of omega-3 fats, antioxidants, and compounds that support both brain and heart health. Nutrition isn't about choosing only one nut. The healthiest approach is variety. Enjoy a small handful of mixed nuts each day, including walnuts, almonds, pistachios, pecans, and just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts. This simple habit can provide healthy fats, plant protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support your body for years to come. Which nut is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed nutrition content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.